To add custom notification sound on Samsung Galaxy A07, first of all, we'll need to open the files on our device. Sadly, this option to add custom sounds is mostly not available. You will need to perform some kind of a trick. So let me show you that. Open your files, then navigate all the way down and click on internal storage. From here, you can enter download or just find a sound file that you want to use as a custom notification sound. In this case, I'm going to go to the ringtones and then select this one. Click on the three dots next to that file and then click on copy to. That way you'll be able to copy it to your notifications. Copy it here. And after a moment when it's done, you can go back and open your settings. Navigate to the sound and vibrations, select notification sound, and that way on the top you should be able to find that song or notification sound that you've copied. You can click on it and then it will be set as your custom notification sound. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.